Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is bottle. It's an A1 level noun, and it means a container for liquids. So, a bottle is a vessel, typically made of glass or plastic, that holds liquids like water, juice, or even shampoo. You might see a bottle of water on a table or a bottle of ketchup at a restaurant. Some synonyms for bottle are flask, container, and vessel. For example, he filled his flask with water before the hike, or the container was clearly labeled, and they stored the wine in a glass vessel. Now, let's look at some antonyms. It's a bit tricky since bottle is a physical object, but we can think of things that are the opposite of holding liquid in a container. We could say open space or emptiness. For example, park was a vast open space, or the room felt like pure emptiness. Obviously, these aren't direct antonyms, but they help illustrate the idea of not having the liquid contained. In everyday life, we use bottle in many ways. You might say, "Can you pass me the water bottle?" Or, "We need to buy a new bottle of soap." It's a very common item. Here are some more examples. She drank from a small bottle. He found a message in a bottle on the beach. Or, the bottle was empty. You might also hear expressions like bottled up emotions, meaning to keep your emotions hidden inside, like liquid in a bottle. That's all for today's word, bottle. Remember, it's an A1 level noun meaning a container for liquids. We explored synonyms like flask, container, vessel, and the slightly abstract antonyms like open space and emptiness. We've talked about its usage in daily life and in different phrases. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other language learners discover the show. And before you go, try to create your own sentence using the word bottle and share it in the comments below the video. We'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.